If you need to pull an attendance report from your Microsoft Teams meeting, the easiest thing to do is to return to your chat. You may see attendance listed right there in the chat if the settings have done that, or you can come into the list of items at the top of your chat for the meeting and perhaps find recap or attendance. I'll go to attendance first. This gives me a summary of the analytics, and I can easily download a comma separated value file that I can open in Excel, which I'll show you here shortly. You also may want to go into the recap. Maybe you need more data about things that happened within the meeting or files that were used. You might do that. Now, the way that file looks when you get to your Excel, this is from the downloads folder, and I've already pulled it. It will have details, a summary of the meeting, the title of it, how many attended, a count, start and end time of the whole thing. And then it's giving me participant list here that pulls name, the first date and time join, last leave date and time, in meeting totals, hours, minutes, and seconds, and then contact information, email addresses, and the role of each person. So I hope that helps you. Sometimes it's difficult to find these things later.